Hello, this is Audrey from Jamoki, and today's activity is called A Bucket of Kindness. Here we are, I've got a bucket shape already cut out, and what I've got also that we will need, I've got some shapes I've already cut out. I've got star shape, I've got a couple of shell shapes, and also we will need some pens. I've got some pens here that we will need, and we will also need some glue. And also I've cut this curved shape which I'm going to use for the handle. So first of all, we're going to think of some kindness things that we can write for ourselves. So I'm just going to show you here. On these some of these shapes I've cut out, I've thought of some things already that we can write. And one of the things I thought of, here we are, that we could write is that we can do, I've put B, let's use another pen, shows better, this black one. I've written on here, see I've got this shape here, and I've written be kind. Okay, so I've written on here, be kind. That's one of our kindest things that we can do for ourselves, is to be kind. And another one here I've got, and I'm going to write on that one, be happy. Okay, so can we read that? It says, be happy. And our third thing that we're going to write is I'm going to write, be you. Okay, so that's be you. And on the handle, we've got the handle, here's the handle shape. I'm going to write something, and I'll read it out to you. On that, I'm going to write, be helpful. Okay, right, and I've written be helpful. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to stick all those things onto our shape with the glue. So I've got some glue here, and first of all, we're going to stick the handle onto our bucket. Here's our bucket here, and we're going to stick the handle onto it, like so. So I'm going to put some glue. You can see the bucket in our picture. Just adjust the camera so you can see. So here's the handle. Just put some glue on there. And then we're just going to stick the handle on. Okay, so it's like this. You can see. So we've got a red handle onto our bucket of kindness. Okay, so we stick that on. Let's add a bit more glue. So our bucket has got a red handle. So I'll just hold it up so you can see our bucket. It's got here, you can see our bucket, and it says be helpful. Okay, and I'll just put these circles that I'd already cut out. I'll put one of these on our buckets over here. And we've got a purple one, purple circle. We can stick that on over here just to decorate our handle. And we got another red one. We're going to put on over here. Okay, so we're starting to decorate our bucket. So you can see it like this, so, right. And then we're going to stick in all these positive things that we've written down about, that we can do that's positive and, and our being kind to ourselves. So what I'll do the first one I'm going to stick on says, can you remember? It says be kind. So if we stick that one on first, and then I've got a star. Remember I said I did some other shapes? I've got a star shape here. I can stick that on. Onto our bucket. So if we stick that on, and I had some shell shapes, stick one of those on. Okay, so we can just stick that on there like that. So here we're going so far. You can see our bucket is gradually building up. We've stuck on one of our positive things, and then we've got our be helpful and our be kind. Next, we're going to think about being happy. Let's see, where should we stick this one? This one says be happy. Right, so shall I stick that? You can stick that over here in this corner. Okay, can you see? It says be happy. And let's stick one of, I've got some more shells, so I'm going to stick one more of the shells on. I've got a shell here. A shell shape, stick that on. Okay, as you can see, stick out some shell shape. And we've got another round shape we can just stick on to add design on the bucket. Stick that here. And we've also got another positive thing that we can put another, and it says be you. So I'm going to stick that on over here. Okay, so that's going to stick on over here. So let's move these things out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Right, let's move the shell over here a bit. Okay. Right, okay, so there we are, and we've decorated our bucket, and we've got lots of sort of positive things on there that we can do for ourselves. So here we are. So I'll just read them all again so you can see. So we've got the one here on the handle that says be helpful. So you could be helpful to your mom, your dad, or to your friends. And be kind. Be kind to you, yourself, and be kind to your friends, or do something kind for somebody else. And then we've got here, be you. Be yourself in all these things that you're doing. Just remember to be you, be yourself. And while you're doing all these things, remember to be happy. And if you're happy, all these things will just happen. Okay, so that's the end of our activity. So just remember these things. Be helpful, be kind, be you, and be happy. And that's the end of our activity for today. Bye for now.